Hi, it's Fiestaro. Hello, fire signs. Okay, so let's check if magre-reach out ba yung taong iniisip mo ngayong November. Okay, so pwedeng no contact kayo ng person or hindi lang talaga kayo nagkakausap. Tingnan natin kung magre-reach out. Okay, kung may energy ng reaching out na mangyayari. Okay, so pasensya na sa aking boses dahil ako ay may sipon. Okay, fire signs. Okay, so Aries, Leo, Sag again. Yes. Before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay? Please someone help me pagdating sa ating timestamps. Okay, Aries, Leo, and Sag. Okay. So yeah, thank you kung sino man makakapag-provide ng timestamps. Okay. So, ano pa ba? Kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. And kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa ating mga items for protection, sa ating love bracelet kay Granter, and doon sa ating bagong item for cleansing, yeah, just message me. Okay, so let's start. So, fire signs. Unahin natin si Aries. Okay, Aries placements. So, will they reach out ngayong November? Okay, so tingnan natin sino ba tong taong to, Aries. Anong meron sa kanya? Sino ba yan? Aries placements. Okay, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus, and the North Node. Anong meron sa kanya? The Sun in reversed. Pwedeng fire sign din, a fellow fire sign like you. What's with that? The Sun in reversed. The King of Pentacles. Some of you, itong taong ito is walang masyadong pansing ibinibigay talaga, no? Some of them, they're businessman or businesswoman, mga ganyan. Okay? Ang daming trabaho, ang daming, sabihin natin parang puro na lang work, parang ganyan. I don't know if this is like someone na talagang sobrang busy and no time, no, para makipag-usap kung kanino, like sabihin natin, yung parang wala siyang panahon sa wala lang, parang ganon, okay? Kung hindi importante, wala hindi niya bibigyang pansin, okay? So, may energy na ganon. Some of you, I think, merong responsibilidad itong taong to pagdating sa'yo. Pwedeng may anak kayo. Pwedeng asawa mo to. Nagsinungaling sa'yo. Okay? Some of you, itong taong to is nag-cheat pagdating sa'yo. Okay? Galit ka sa kanya, sa totoo lang. Galit ka dito sa taong to. Yeah, the Tower. Okay? So, kunin nyo kung anong message, kung anong energy ng tao. Kung di kayo naka-resonate on, then maybe, sa ibang pagkakataon, sa ibang reading, okay? So, sa ngayon, yun ang aking nakikita pagdating dyan sa kanya. Some of them, kasi meron tong tinalikuran na responsibilidad. Iniwanan ka ng responsibilidad ng taong to. Some of you, naanakan ka lang, or sabihin natin may anak kayo nitong taong to, pero iniwan sa'yo, or sabihin natin iniwanan ka ng responsibilidad. Okay, in general. Okay? So, yun ang nakuha ko sa taong to. Ang tanong, will they reach out ngayong November? Magre-reach out ba yung taong yan? I-reach out ka ba niya? So, nakita natin si Leo and si Capricorn. Okay? So, Aries placements. Magre-reach out ba itong taong to sa'yo? Okay. Oh, the Wheel of Fortune. Alam mo, lumaglag siya na nakaganyan. Okay? It's like 50-50. Okay, it's like it depends sa situation, kung anong situation meron ka. Okay, let's see. What's with that Wheel of Fortune? The 9 of Wands. It depends, okay? Something like, itong taong to is pwedeng hindi rin ganoon kasigurado pagdating sa'yo. Okay, ganito po ha. Ang nakikita kasi niya is like dumidepende itong taong to sa kung anong lagay mo sa ngayon. Okay? It's like mayroong mga pag-iisip itong taong to. Tatanggapin kaya niya ako ngayong nakikita ko itong si Aries ay sabihin natin okay na. Yes, isa yon. And nandun rin yung energy na kaya 50-50 is pwedeng kung ang nakikita niya sa'yo is you're someone na parang kawawang-kawawa ka, lagi mo siyang ang tawag dyan, lagi mo siyang hinahabol or lagi mo siyang kinukulit or whatsoever, andun naman yung tataguan ka ng taong to. Okay? So, nasa sa inyo kung anong ginagawa nyo sa ngayon. So, saan ka dun? Ikaw ba itong parang okay na, nakikita ka ng taong to? Okay? So, ang punot dulo, ang pinaka nakikita kong magiging outcome, same lang din, is andun yung pag-avoid, nandun yung pagtatago ng taong to. Okay? So, reaching out, medyo malabo. Yeah. Some of you, okay ka na. Andito yung kung hindi man sa November, okay, sa November, hindi ko kasi nakikitang gagawa to ng action pero the Wheel of Fortune is tumagilid, okay, hindi siya talagang nag-reversed. For me, ang meaning nun is sabihin natin kung hindi man ngayon, November, may chance na sa ibang buwan ito mag-reach out, okay, sa ibang buwan, pwedeng December, okay po. So, yun ang aking nakikita pagdating sa inyo. Pagdating sa taong to. Okay? So, next. Leo. Leo placement starts at 6:52. Okay. Leo placements. Yeah. Please check. Please help me. Pagdating sa ating timestamps. Okay? 6:52 nga ba? Pagdating kay Leo. So, Leo placement, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus in the North Node. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And, yes, ano ba ang meron sa taong yan, Leo? Anong meron sa kanya? Anong meron sa taong to? Okay. The Hierophant in reverse. This person is afraid of the commitments. Pwedeng Taurus. Okay. The Hierophant. Why is that? Oh, the 9 of Wands. This person is afraid of the commitments. Okay? Takot sa commitment itong taong to. Pwedeng, yun nga, fire sign then like you. Okay? The 10 of Pentacles in reverse. Nandun yung umiiwas siya sa'yo ngayon. Okay, so yun nga. Pwedeng yes, no contact kayo. There's this block. Ako nakikita. Some of you binlock mo tong taong to. Because yun nga, pwedeng iba sa inyo talaga. Alam nyong walang aasahan sa kanya. Okay? Some of you, alam mo itong taong to is a player. Okay, they are afraid of the commitments. Excuse my voice. Yes, medyo hindi maganda yung pakiramdam ko. Okay, so pwedeng Taurus, pwedeng fire sign like you. Okay, so let's see. May chance ba na mag-reach out itong taong to ngayong November? Leo, may chance ba na mag-reach out sa'yo itong person na to? Okay. Leo. The 5 of Cups in reversed. Why? The Judgment in reverse. I think this person is trying to search or look for some energy, new energy maybe. I think andun yung something na parang ini-stock ka lang. Okay? But yeah, this person is trying na talagang i-forget ka. Or parang parang totally iniiwasan ka na, like sabihin natin ayaw sa'yo or what. Okay, hindi kanya pinagtutuon ng pansin sa ngayon, Leo. The devil is here. Okay, some of them, they're too young or maybe they're too immature. Okay, So, sinasabi rito, it's a no. Okay? Aalis to sa energy mo, like totally 100%. Okay? Pero be careful. Hindi ito magpapakita or hindi ito mag-reach out, pero nandyan yung parang makikita mo or makakarinig ka ng balita from them or balita about them. Okay? Pwedeng water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and a big Scorpio placement. Okay? So, hinahayaan ka lang nito, pero parang feeling ko they're trying to manipulate you or the situation. Okay? Yun ang pinaka nakikita ko deep down dito sa sitwasyon niya or sa sitwasyon ninyo. They're like trying to fool you kung ano bang meron sa kanya sa ngayon. They're like acting na okay, I'm okay na, I'm done, parang ganyan, I'm moving on, I don't want any kind of kung ano man dito sa ating situation or what. Okay, pero I think that's their tactics or manipulative ways of sabihin natin para hindi mo makita na nandyan pa rin sila. Okay? Still. This person is sabihin natin nag-i-stalk lang sa'yo. I don't care po, ha? Kung, yes, andun kasi lagi, madam, din ako may stalk nan kasi block ko na. Excuse me. So, ngayon, di ba, hindi mo siya may stalk. Di ba? Sa FB, kasi yun lang lagi natin sinasabi. Through online, di natin may stalk. Kasi block na. So, now, what are you doing? You are watching tarot. What are you doing? Di ba? You're looking. So, tarot reading is another way of stalking. Okay? So, kung may paraan yung taong yun para ma-stalk ka, gagawin niya yun. Okay? So, hindi ko tinatanggap yung rason na black po ako, kaya hindi niya po ako mai-stalk. Okay? Hindi ko pinapakinggan yung ganong rason. Kung black ka, ginagawa mo, nanonood ka ng ganitong reading para makita mo, makuha mo ko ng energy. So, you're stalking. Diba? Ganun lang yun. Okay? Or maybe, makita mo yung mutual friends nyo. Hoy, kamusta si ano? So, you're stalking. Okay? Hindi lang naman kasi sinabi kapag stalk is sa online na lang, sa FB na lang, or kung anumang platform yung meron kayo. Okay? So, palawakin natin po, yung pag-unawa. Okay? So, for me, there's a lot of manipulative actions coming from your person. Pero, gusto lang malaman mo, gusto lang na makita mo na sila ay parang wala na. Okay? So, they're not reaching out. Pero, gusto nila makita mo na nandun pa rin. Yeah. Okay? Next. Sagittarius. Okay. Sagittarius starts at 13:27. Sag, okay. So, Sagittarius placement, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And the North Node. Okay, so, will your person reach you? Mag-reach out ba yung person na iniisip mo ngayong November? Okay. So, ano bang meron sa person mo, Sag? Let's shuffle. Anong meron sa person mo? Tingnan natin. Okay. Oh, the Three of Cups. Some of you, this person is already in a connection na, or they're just like playing the field, or yeah, kung may third party man dito or what. Ano tong Three of Cups? Yeah, the Three of Pentacles in reversed. A big energy of third party situation. May chance na kaya hindi mo to kausap ngayon because of a third party. Okay, nandun siya sa third party. Okay, so yeah, no contact. Okay, no contact. Dinrap ka ng taong to for, sabihin natin, for another connection. Okay, pwedeng water sign, pwedeng earth sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Okay, so let's see, Sag. Will they reach out ngayong November? Will this person reach out this November, Sag? Will they reach out? Will they reach out? The Seven of Pentacles in reversed. Okay. And the Page of Swords. This is a heavy energy of they're just like watching you. Okay? Stalking. Yeah. Andyan yung energy na they're just like watching you like a hawk. Watching you. Looking for you. Okay? Looking for you. Saan man lugar. Yeah. Thinking of you. Yeah. They're avoiding you. Like, maybe avoiding you, pero they're thinking of you. Pasensya na po ha sa aking boses because I'm sick. Okay, I'm sick. May sipon ako. Kung ano pa. So, no actions, no energy of reaching out, pero pag-i-stock ang nandyan na nakukuha ko. Okay? Thinking, looking for you. Going sa mga lugar na pwedeng pinupuntahan nyo, or pwedeng sabihin nating may chance na baka makita ka doon or what. Yes, may mga ganyang actions na pwedeng gawin itong taong to, pero there's no energy of reaching out. Okay? They miss you. Yeah. Okay? May kakonect na to. Andun yung energy ng unfinished business. Yeah. So, pwedeng earth sign, pwedeng air sign. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Okay? So, there. Yeah, yun muna ang ating reading for you, fire signs. Okay? Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.